Small plastic granules like this are in high demand across China, particularly for auto parts makers who use them to produce everything from bumpers and dashboards to door panels and engine covers. But as their prices continue to rise, manufacturers are struggling to remain competitive. One firm said they want to optimize their production procedures in order to help defray costs.
我们的那个加工费用现在肯定是
It is hard to raise the price of our products. So to manage the extra pressure on our enterprise due to the extra costs, we're now focusing on optimizing our processes and training our workers with more skills to improve the production rate of products.
Besides modified plastic granules, the price of polypropylene, or PP, has also gone up since March of this year. It's used to make things like cable insulation and floor mats and is noted for its durability and resistance to other chemical solvents.
PP 原料
The price of PP, a raw material, was about $1.9 per kilogram before. Before our orders in March this year, it rose to $2.3 per kilogram.
Other essential raw materials like steel, aluminum, copper, and rubber are also going up in price.